Good morning students, welcome to the class of maths again. In last chapter we studied about earlier and the later. And in this chapter we are going to see one and many. Just like that you can see my finger. It is how much fingers it is? Yes, it is a one finger. And I will show you these fingers. How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then it will be one finger means it's one. एंड मोर देन वन इट इज मैनी. अगर एक ही है तो वो एक ही रहेगा, वन बोलेंगे उसको, और एक से ज्यादा जो भी रहेंगे वो मैनी में गिना जाएगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट दिस ओनली. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम ऑफ द थिंग्स. लाइक सी, आई हैव markers here. You can see this markers. Okay, if I put like this, then it will be, it is a one marker. And here you can count 1 and 2 means 2 markers are there. तो ये एक मार्कर मतलब 1 and 2 मार्कर हो जाएंगे तो many हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Then I will show you one more thing, that is you can see sketch pens. Yes, you use for the drawing, है ना. तो drawing के लिए हम लोग उसको यूज करते हैं. Now see, yes, it is a one sketch pen, right? And here you can see so many sketch pens are there. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sketch pens. Means is more than one. So it will be many. एक से जो ज्यादा रहते हैं सब many में गिने जाते हैं. Wait for some more time. I will show you. I have pens. Yes, it is pens. इसे पेन से हम लोग लिखते हैं. Again we will see. One pen it is, then we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which one is many? Yes, it is many because it is more than one. Then you can see the textbook you are having. Yes, it's your textbook. And I will put one book here. And here you can see, yes, it is one. And here 1, 2 and 3 books are there. Means 3 is more than 1, so it will be many. एक से जो भी रहेंगे ज्यादा वो सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? Many हो जाएंगे. Let's see. If I will draw a fish here, you can see here fish. Yes, it is fish. See the fish here? Yes, you know the fishes. Yes, it is a fish. It is a one fish, right? And if I will draw here similar fishes, like this, right? Maybe 1, 2 or 3, whatever it is, I am going to draw it. Then you have to find out which is many. Okay? You have to see the concept of many here. Yes, you have to find out. Yes. So here you can see it is one fish, and here 1, 2 and 3. Now what you have to do? I have a box down. I have a box down. Whichever is one, you have to write O over there, and whichever is many, you have to write M over there. So let's start. It is one or many? Yes, it is one. So we are going to write here O. And you can see here 3 fishes are there. 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write here many. So 1 and many. Just like this, let's see. I am going to draw some kites here. Kites आपको मालूम है अभी संक्रांत आने वाली है, पतंग चगाते हो ना आप? हाँ, वही वाला है. तो यहाँ पे देखो मैं कुछ kites draw कर रही हूँ. Again you have to find out which one is one and which one is many. So see here, I am drawing it out. And same you have to draw in your CW books. Please draw it. Yes. This type of kites you have to draw. Not similar, then you can draw something else also if you know it very well. Yes. Now, again I am going to draw one box down. You can see here. Yes. Can you tell me which is one and which is many? Here how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here one is there. So you know it very well. More than one is called as a many. So we are going to write here down M for many and kite for O. So it will be 1. Just like that you have to see. Now children, let's see what is there in our textbook. We have to see the textbook also because you have textbook at home. टेक्स्ट बुक में से आपको देखना बहुत जरूरी है कि टेक्स्ट बुक आपके पास है तो आप अच्छे से पढ़ पाओगे. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अवर टेक्स्ट बुक. टेक आउट योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Students, you understood the concept of one and many from the whiteboard. So we are going to see here what is there in your textbook. You can see on the page number 5 it is what they have said. Draw a circle around the picture showing one object. Means you have to find out which picture is showing one object. Two pictures are there. One picture here and second picture here. So we will see in which picture only one object is there. So you can see here 4 pens are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here only one is there. So we have to see which one is a one. And you have to circle it out. उसको circle करना है आपको pencil से. Then see the second picture. Yes. Here also what they said. Draw a circle around the picture showing many objects. Now not one object. You have to go for the many objects. Many objects means मैंने बोला था एक से ज़्यादा, एक से 2 भी हो सकते हैं, 3 भी हो सकते हैं, 5 भी हो सकते हैं. एक से ज़्यादा जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहेंगे सारे मैनी में गिने जाएंगे. सो यू कैन सी हियर 1 बॉल इज देयर एंड हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 एंड 9. सो इट इज़ अ मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू सर्कल अराउंड दिस मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यू हैव टू सी इन दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. इंफॉर्मेशन में देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि किसको सर्कल करने बोला है. ऊपर के पिक्चर में 1 ऑब्जेक्ट को बोला था बराबर है, तो 1 को हमने सर्कल किया. सेकेंड वाले में मैनी को बोला है. देखो आप मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स लिखा है तो हमें क्या करना है, मैनी के अराउंड सर्कल करना है. देन यू कैन गो फॉर द थर्ड पिक्चर. यू कैन सी हियर ड्रॉ अ सर्कल अराउंड द पिक्चर शोइंग वन ऑब्जेक्ट. अगेन दे सेड ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो सी हियर 1, 2 and 3 आर देयर एंड हियर ओनली 1 इज देयर. सो जहाँ पे 1 ऑब्जेक्ट है वहीं पे क्या करोगे, सर्कल करोगे. राइट. देन सी द फोर्थ पिक्चर हियर. व्हाट दे सेड, ड्रॉ अ सर्कल अराउंड द पिक्चर शोइंग मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. अगेन मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स यू हैव टू फाइंड. मीन्स 1 more than 1. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5 anything. So you have to find out here. See here. Here tops are there. 1, 2 and 3 are there. And here only 1 is there. So what they said, showing many objects. Many objects means 3 are there. Then you have to circle the many objects. So I think all of you understood the concept of one and many. Then practice it out at home and we will move on to our whiteboard. Now students, we studied one and many concepts from our textbook also. Now let's see one activity is there. What they said, fill the circle with one apple. Where is the circle? You know the shape. Circle means round. तो यहाँ पे round है. तो क्या बोला है उसमें? Fill the circle with one apple. Means we have to draw only one apple in a circle. And square with many apples. This is a square. Four sides are equal. Square में हमें क्या करना है? Many apples मतलब एक से ज़्यादा एप्पल ड्रॉ करने हैं. Now let's begin with the one apple. So in circle we are going to draw one apple like this. आपको अपनी बुक में ऐसे ही एप्पल ड्रॉ करना है. पहले सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसके बाद एप्पल ड्रॉ करेंगे. Yes, we have to draw only one apple in a circle and square with many apples. Many apples means you can draw 2, 3, 4, whichever you like. I am going to draw here 4. See. Firstly, I am going to draw it. Yes. 2. You can draw 2, 3, 4, not 1. For the many, you can draw it. See, how many are there? 4. Then it will be many apples, right? This activity you have to mention in your CW book. अपनी CW book में इसको लिखना है आपको. और लिखने के बाद फ्राइडे के दिन होमवर्क में भेजना है. So all of you understood? For the many, square was there. I have written in this. See, it is a square. I am writing it. If you don't know. And here circle. So you have to write all these things in your CW book as well as in a homework book for one time. And we are going to meet in our next lecture. Thank you so much.